Yeah, sleep now, sleep. I'm on my bed. See, I always see comb stains on this your blanket also. Every single time I see all these ones. Eh? You can't tell me these are not comb stains.
Nengi finds cum stains on Ozo's duvet, demands explanation. The housemates were on what looks like a sleeping competition after taking breakfast on Thursday, but Nengi and Ozo could not sleep because they were enjoying each other's company. Nengi moved to Ozo's bed to play Ludo game, but they were unable to continue the game. At the point, she decided to move back to her bed, and as she was about leaving, she saw stains on his duvet that raised her suspicion.
Hey, let me show you. Yum. What could this possibly be? Naima, Abi. This one is even smaller. The one I saw when he was staying in that room. And when everybody said it, that it was cum stains. I was like, what do you used to do in this bed?
She immediately raised an objection. She told him about what she just saw. I'm always seeing cum stains on your blanket. Also, what is this? She kept on checking the duvet for more of such things, and then she made more statements. I know that if I check the other side, I will see more. Nengi did not only say this, she actually did it. She checked the other side of the duvet and asked him who he has been engaged with that made such things be on his blanket. Ozo was all smiling while she made her statement and her investigative moves. She advised Ozo to explain how he gets to have such all over his duvet. As the two were having this interesting conversation, Neo, who has been on V's bed, raised his head when he overheard Nengi and Ozo's conversation. Who would have thought Neo wasn't sleeping?